channel to Beauty, Health and Style. If you're a male or a female, whatever age you may be, at some point of time we find our skin very dull, there's no glow into our skin and our skin looks very matured, and there are many reasons for that, and we always want something to give our skin that glow, brightness and that lightening in our skin. So today I'm going to share with you a very easy, amazing remedy. This is a coffee facial, and coffee facial, as you all know, is an antioxidant, and this has caffeine, and caffeine is very good for your skin. And as we all love to have coffee is very good for your skin. It's also these days is used in cosmetics like face masks, and coffee, it has caffeine, and caffeine in our blood circulation, it promotes and increases, and if you have any acne spots or you have fine lines, and this will become better, and also it tightens your skin and removes all the dead cells from your skin, and it's very effective for your skin, and it gives a very bright and glowing skin. Also, it minimizes your skin pores. So guys, I'm going to demonstrate how to do this coffee facial at home. So let's get into that facial, guys. So let's go. Step 1, I will show you how to make the coffee scrub. This is for skin whitening. You need half tablespoon of coffee powder. Then you need aloe vera gel, 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel, and you mix it well. The coffee scrub is ready. Apply it in your full face and neck and spread it nicely. Now scrub your face in a circular motion for 2 to 3 minutes, and this will remove all your dead cells and your skin will become brighter. If you do this regularly, your skin will glow. Scrub your nose nicely. This will remove all the blackheads also. So guys, I washed my face and you can see the instant glow in my face. Now the step 2, we are going to make the massaging face mask. In the bowl I already put 1 tablespoon of coffee powder. Then I'm putting half tablespoon of honey. Then we'll add 2 tablespoons of milk. And we'll mix it nicely. Now the face mask is ready. Now apply in your full face. Now massage your face nicely for 10 minutes in this circular motion, and this will improve your blood circulation of your skin and it will give an extra glow. You can follow the steps how I am doing. Massaging tightens your skin and your skin looks much younger. Now we will apply on our neck and we'll massage for 5 minutes. This is very important to also massage your neck. We'll leave this mask for 5 minutes, then we'll wash our face. Guys, I just washed my face and I'm feeling so refreshed, and you can see the instant glow in my skin. My skin is just shining and my skin has become lighter and my skin is looking so white, and I'm just loving how my skin is looking after this coffee facial. Oh wow, I'm just loving it. Yay! So guys, this coffee facial is very easy and it just takes 5 minutes, and this has 2 steps. And this will give an instant glow to your skin and you'll feel so good about your skin. Your skin is shining and your skin will get tighter, and if you have any acne problem or you have fine lines or you have dark circles also, this will get removed and you'll find your skin is just looking brighter and it's not looking dull at all. It's glowing your skin, and everybody's going to ask you, what have you done? And you will say it's the coffee facial. And if you're going to put makeup, you can just do this coffee facial just before applying your makeup, and you'll see the instant glow, and you don't have to put even that much makeup, and your skin is just going to shine. Just when you put just less makeup, you'll see a lot of difference, guys. So do apply this facial at least once a week and you'll see that instant glow, guys. So guys, I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, give a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, guys. And guys, take good care of yourself and stay home, stay healthy and stay positive, guys. So guys, I'll see you soon with my next exciting video. Till then, keep yourself happy. Guys, love you all.